Today in this video, I will solve this frame problem with moment distribution method but using Excel sheet. Okay. So I will do the first necessary calculation first. Now we all know what are the steps to solve any problem in the moment distribution method. So first of all, what we do, we calculate the fixed in moment. Now, so let me assign the direction of the moment first. So I am considering here at mxy. I am considering anti-clockwise moment, and myx I am considering clockwise, and myz I am considering what anti-clockwise. What will be mzy? It will be in clockwise direction. Again mzw, it will be in which direction? Anti-clockwise. And mwz, it will be in clockwise direction. Anyway, here uniform distributed load is given. A plus B kilonewton per meter data is given. You don't need to worry about the data. You will have your data, and here one concentrated load is applied at 3 meter from node W. Okay. For me, A is equal to roll number. It was my roll number. Okay, and B is equal to number of letters. For you, data will be given. You don't need to worry about that. Just take concept how to solve this type of particular question. Here again 30 kilonewton concentrated load is applying at this Y node. Now what I will do, I said na. So first, what is our first step? Our first step is what? Calculation of fixed in moment. So mxy is equal to myx will be equal to 0, as there is no concentrated load present. There is no load present over this member in between x and y. So obviously, so it will be 0. And myz, it will be equal to minus PL square by 12. We all know the formula for the if the uniformly distributed load is given, then which formula we have to apply. We all know this very well. So anyway, I have considered this myz in anti-clockwise direction. As you can see, myz I have considered anti-clockwise. That's why I have written negative sign. For entire problem, I will be taking clockwise moment as positive. So that's why I have written here negative sign. Anyway, these all things you know very well. So I will when I substitute all the given values, so I got minus 87 kilonewton per meter. Kilonewton meter. Sorry. Similarly, mzy is equal to PL square by 12, as it is acting in the clockwise direction. Okay. So after substituting these all values, we are getting 87 kilonewton meter. Similarly, here I have done something mistake. I have written MWZ. MWZ is what it is. MWZ. It is acting in the clockwise. Here I have taken in clockwise direction. So it should be, the value should be positive, na? So value should be positive, but I have written here negative. But finally I have written the correct answer. Here I have taken positive 23.52. And MZW I have taken in anti-clockwise. Finally I have written minus 35.28. Anyway, now what is our step 2? Our step 2 is what? Calculation of distribution factor. We all know these things very well. Our main theme is that we will solve this problem using Excel sheet. Okay, how we are solving frame problem using Excel sheet. Okay, see, I have done all the calculation for you. These all things are very easy. Okay, I by L we all know na. Okay, the same I have same thing. L is what? 7 meter na for YX member. So I have done calculation for you. And here remember ZWC here 3I by 4L, because for in this hinge, so which formula we need to apply? 3I by 4L. So L is 5 in that case, and total relative stiffness we know, we need to add this I by 7 plus of I by 6, then we will get 13I by 42. After adding what? After adding I by 6, I by 7 and I by 6, what we will get? 13I by 42. And total relative stiffness in this case I by 6 plus 10. This all know very well. And distribution factor K by sigma K, we all know, that is I by 7 divided by 13I by 42. Now, so we will get this all value. Okay, I have done all the calculation for you. Now I will be doing non-sway analysis. First I will do what? Non-sway analysis, but with Excel sheet. I have written here non-sway analysis. I have written all the things, okay, so that I don't take too much time in writing these all things. So I have also mentioned fixed in moment, whatever we got in our calculation, I have already noted here. Distribution factor I have already noted, and one thing is that here for node W, distribution factor will be what? 1 only, because at node W, what is our support? At node W, hinge support is given. That's why we need to consider distribution factor is equal to 1 only. So I will do balance now. So I have already solved a simple problem using Excel sheet in previous video. You can watch also. Anyway, again I will be applying formula to balance. Okay, so how we need to apply formula, na? So press equal to sign, then negative of sum. So what we need to add? We need to add column. So for this case it will be 0 only, and okay, and for this case, if we balance, so what I will write? Equal to sign minus of sum of which column? That is C5 plus of D5 divided by what? Multiplied by distribution factor, na? Multiplied by distribution factor. What is the distribution factor? 0.461. Press equal to sign. I am getting 40.107. Similarly, in this column also press equal to sign. Negative sum of which column? C5 plus of D5 multiplied with distribution factor. What is distribution factor in this case? 0.538. Press equal to sign, and in this case press equal to sign again, minus of sum. Which column I need to add in this case? E5 plus of F5. See here, F5 multiplied by distribution factor. What is distribution factor? 0.526. Press equal to sign, minus 27.4047, and in this case press equal to sign, negative, write sum. Which column I need to add? E5 of F5 multiplied with distribution factor is what? 0.473. Press equal to sign, and in this case what? Fixed in moment is what? 23.52, na? So what will be the, if I will do balancing, so what I need to write here? Minus of 23.52, na? So now we need to take carryover, na? Carryover. As we know, half of the moment is carried over at the far end. So for xy, what is the far end? Y-axis is the far end. So what I will do? So press equal to sign. So what will the general formula? C6 divided by 2 only. Press equal to sign. And for y-axis, what is the far end? Xy. So here it is already. Anyway, I will apply the formula is equal to sign. B6 divided by 2. Press equal to sign 0. And yz, what is the far end for this? Zy, na? So E6, press equal to sign, E6 divided by 2. Press equal to sign. And zy, what is the far end for this? Press equal to sign, yz, na? Column D, that is D6 press equal to sign. And for zw, what is the far end? Yz. G6, na? Press equal to sign, G6 divided by 2. Press equal to sign, minus 11. And here the far in this case no carry over moment will be generated, because this because this W hinge is present. Okay, so no carry over moment will be generated in this case. So we can write what? 0. Now again we need to do balancing na. Again we will not apply the formula. Okay, we will take the help of Excel. We will take the help of formula. What I will do, I will copy the data, just copy it and paste here. Formula paste, and again we need to do carry over na, so we don't need to apply formula again and again, just copy and paste. We have to do, just copy it and paste it. Sorry, it has not been copied. Carry over we need to copy na, till here copy it, we need to paste here, paste it, formula paste, again balance it. In this way we will proceed na. So again copy it, row number 8, copy it and paste in the row number 10, formula paste 2, and here again what I need to do, again carry over we need to take na, just copy the row number 9, copy it and paste in the, okay, and again we need to do balancing. Again I need to copy this column, here I need to paste. In this way we will proceed. Let me paste, Control B. Sorry, it has not been copied, we need to copy. We need to copy. Now it has been successfully copied. Now paste it in the row number 12, formula paste I need to do. Again we need to take carry over, what I copy row number 11 and paste in the row number 13. It has not been copied, again do slowly. It has been copied. Now we need to paste here. It has been, now again we need to balance. We need to continue till our difference is negligible between two consecutive steps na. We need to continue up to that row. Anyway, I will continue to copy and paste. Again we need to balance na. Copy it. We need to copy very carefully. Paste again. Now it has been copied. Paste. Again we need to take carry over, copy it, again we need to take balance. Control plus D. Anyway, again we need to take carry over, copy it,
बन गया सर आप?
मैं अभी नहीं बना. I will continue till I said na till we got the till we get the negligible difference between two consecutive steps. So again we need to balance na. So I will copy this, Control plus C. Again we need to paste here. Paste is Control plus B. Again we need to take carry over. This is all very simple thing. Copy it, Control C. We need to paste here, Control plus B. Sorry, copy, paste carefully. Yet it has not been successfully copied. Copy carefully, copy it. Now paste it here. Now final balancing I will be doing. Sorry, again we need to take carry over. So what I will do, I will just copy this column, row, just copy it. Now we need to paste in this row. It has not been copied successfully yet, so need to copy carefully. Copy it. We need to paste in this row. Now I will do final balancing. As we all know now, we need to skip at balance step. We can't skip at carry over step. Okay, we have to skip anyway at balance step only. So I am doing final step. Just copy this column. Copy it. Now I need to paste. Now what I will do, I will sum up all this moment. Okay, from row number 5 I will add till row number 22. Okay, so I will be adding this all. So we will take help of formula only. Summation final non-sway moment. So I need to add this all from row number 5 to till row number 22. I need to add na. So press equal to sign. I need to add from row number 5 to row number 22. Press equal to sign. Sum from B5 to semicolon till B22. Press equal to sign. This is our final moment for this column. Same way we need to add, press equal to sign, sum from C5 to C22. Press equal to sign. We are getting 48.3. Again press equal to sign. Sum from D5 to G22. Press equal to sign. Equal to sign. Sum from E5 to E22. Press equal to sign. 79. It is fine only. Press equal to sign. Sum F5 to F22. Press equal to sign. Press enter. Minus 29. as it is 23 plus of 23.52 and minus of 23.5. Nothing is there in this column, so what we can write? You can use column also, it is 0 only. I have completed my sway non-sway analysis. Now I will be doing sway analysis. So in sway analysis also, all things will be same only. Just what we need to focus in the sway analysis. See, is also similar to non-sway analysis only. Now, distribution factor will be also same in case of the sway analysis also. Whatever distribution factor was in non-sway analysis, the same distribution factor will be in the whatever the distribution factor was in the non-sway, so same distribution factor will be in the sway analysis also. So what I will do, just I will copy these all things. Okay, whatever I will not write all the things. So I will copy only. We will change fixed in moment. I will make you understand. Okay, just copy it. I will be pasting in the this. I will. Okay. Now fixed in moment in this case, we will assume something. We need to assume fixed in moment in this case. And whatever we are assuming, you can assume anything, 0, 10, 50, 100, you can assume anything. Okay, but whatever we are assuming now, we have to place this assumed one only in the column member. Okay, but not in the beam member. In beam members, there will not be any deflection. There won't be any sway in the beam member. So we don't need to put this fixed moment in beam. Okay, so place in the column members only. So as you will see the diagram na, whatever we have diagram na, so x is what member xy is, it is column member only. So I will put 10. I am assuming 10 here. That's why I have written 10. And yx what it is, again column member only, so 10 I am putting here. So and this yz, these are what beam member, so I am putting 0. So zw it is again column member, so I will put 10, 10, 10. Okay, now same procedure we have to apply in this case also. Finally we will get final sway moment. We will get something sway moment na? So again I will do balancing. Same procedure we will apply, balance. So press equal to sign, we all minus of. So in this case what will the balance, as it is fixed, as it is fixed upon na, so we don't need to press equal to sign. If 0, put 0. In this case we need to balance, equal to sign minus of sum column C5 plus of C5 plus of D5, C5 plus of D5 multiplied with distribution factor, that is 0.461, is equal to sign, that is I am getting minus 4.61. So I will conclude I will solve this problem very quickly. Okay, I am sign minus of sum C5 plus of D5 multiplied by distributed 0.538, is equal to sign. Okay, and is equal to sign minus of sum E5 plus of F5 multiplied by 5.526, that is minus 2.56. That is, let me check what I have written. 2. What is the distribution? 5 to 6. No, sorry, I have something 5 to 6. Now I am getting correct. Press equal to sign minus of sum. As I have done in the non-sway analysis, same procedure we need to apply. So directly now I will be writing directly final sway moment. Okay, don't confuse. You can proceed in similar way as I have done in the non-sway case. Okay, so I'm solving till this row. Then I will write final sway moment only. E5, sorry, it should be E5, F5. Now minus 4.73. Now as it is plus 10, so what I need to write minus of 10. That is fine. Now I will write the final sway moment directly. Analysis also, when I will be adding this from row 5 to, we need to consider this also. Whatever we have assumed from row number 5 we will add. Okay, so I am doing. I will finally I will be writing the final sway moment. Okay, so I am writing here sum up from where B5 to 14 5 na B14 na B14 press equal to sign 7.873 na. Then in this way I will be writing the final sway moments for all these cases. I have written the final sway moments here. I have noted on. Okay, I have solved you. Now how to calculate final moments, end moments, we need to pay attention on that concept. Okay, we have done non-sway analysis in this sheet number 1, and I have done sway analysis in the sheet number 2. Now how I will be solving for final end moments, just see this PDF. Calculation of end moments. Okay, so we will apply this formula. M is equal to, that is end moments is equal to non-sway moment plus of sway moment into x factor. We need to calculate this value of x. So what we can write? Mxy is equal to non-sway moment 24.186 we have come. You can check in that Excel sheet, and 7.87 into x factor. So similarly, how many equations we will have altogether? Altogether we will have 6 equations. Myx. You can check. I have taken all these value from the Excel sheet only. Okay. Anyway, now how we will calculate? We have this all 6 equations in terms of x. So we need to calculate the value of x. Then we can calculate the final end moments. We will calculate the value of x only. So applying equilibrium equation sigma f is equal to the entire frame and expressing column end shear in terms of column end moment. Xx xy plus of swz is equal to 19. How I have written, please pay attention here. Suppose it is what? Column end shear sxy I have sxy is equal to, I have written summation for this, I have written equal to 19. So 30 is acting in this direction and 49 is acting in this direction. So sxy plus of swz plus of 30 minus of 49 finally what we will have, and later on I am expressing this Sx as xy in terms of column in moment, that is mxy myx na, and this is swz. We will express this column shear, column in shear in terms of column in moment. This is, that is column in moment. What is column in moment? This mwz and this mzw. Okay, so that's why I hope you have understood why I have written as xy plus of hwz is equal to 9. So I have expressed this column in shear in terms of column in moments. So I can write mxy plus of myx by 7. The length of the member, what was member? When you will take the moment about this now, when you will take moment about this, if you want to calculate the value of as xy, we will see here sxy na, so take moment about this point. So now in terms of sxy we will get then. Okay, so mxy and myx will come in the equation when you will, when okay, if you will face if you are facing any issue, you can write comment in the comment section. So and this member length is what is equal to 7 meter. So in this case, and while I am expressing swz shear in column in moments, you can see here I have written all these things. mzw plus mwz plus of 49 into 2. Hope you can understood these all things. These all are very easy. By 5 as member length is 5 is equal to 90. I have done nothing. When we will to mxy myx, we all have this na mxy, just put substitute here in this equation star na. So on simplifying I am getting x value is equal to 1.81 and here I am getting x equal to what, 1.81. Whatever equation we had here, now we need to substitute the value of x so that we can get mxy myx. So nothing to do now, you can do very easily. So finally I have done substituting the value of x equal to 1.81 from in equation 1 to 6. We have final moment as. Now finally I have done all the calculation for you. If you have any problem in understanding the concept how to analyze the frame problem using moment distribution method, finally this is our answer. Okay, finally this is all our answer. And mwz will be equal to 0 only, as it is hinge support. At w there is hinge support, so final moment should be 0 only. So and finally this is our bending moment diagram. Okay, if in case if you have not understood this problem, this solution, please write comment in the comment section. Anyway, that's all for today.